special. So now today I'm going to show you a delicious and healthy recipe called rice kheer. So let's get started. To make the rice kheer we need thick and fresh coconut milk, some jaggery, soaked and washed flattened rice, raisins and dates, condensed milk or honey you can add, a pinch of salt, cardamom powder and cashew powder to make even more creamy. So let's get started. First take a mixing bowl and take the fresh and creamy coconut milk. And the jaggery. And put the jaggeries. And the condensed milk. You can also add honey. This is your optional. Now add the cashew powder. And the cardamom powder. And a pinch of salt. And the raisins and the dates. The soaked flattened rice. Now stir everything together and keep it into the refrigerator for half an hour. This is really healthy for your breakfast when you're going to school. You can also add whatever your dry food you have along with some fruits also. See, after 30 minutes it will get like creamier. Now let's serve it. See, my delicious and yummy kheer is ready. I'm going to taste it. Mommy. It's still yummy and delicious. Try it at home. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.